If you're tired of sending out endless proposals and quotes and hearing nothing back, then this might be your solution. Video proposals are more engaging and more personalized than just a big block of text in an email. They allow you to showcase your work, speak directly with the client, add in your own personality, and customize it directly to the client's personality. Plus, they make things easier to explain for your client, especially when you're trying to get across complex ideas or if it might help to have some extra visuals. Step number 1 is to research your client before hitting record. You need to understand what their goals are, what their motivations are, and what pain points they're facing. That way you can customize a proposal that will best suit them and be a true value offer for what they really need in this moment. Step number 2 is to structure your proposal. Here's a simple structure that you can follow when you're recording your video. First, the introduction. Briefly introduce yourself and give a small background about who you are and what you do, especially if they haven't interacted with you a lot until now. Problem statement. Clearly define your client's problem, then we're going to move to a proposed solution. You're going to tell them how you can help and why you are the best option to help them. Next, you want to talk about the benefits and highlight all of the benefits that come from working with you specifically. And then lastly, you want to end with a call to action. Clearly state what you want them to do next. And step number 3 is to keep it concise. It needs to be short and sweet, something that's easy to digest and is not overwhelmed with information. That can always come later in trainings or further videos. Some additional tips for making this the most effective pitch that you possibly can. First up is to dress professionally. Dress like you would on a client call and make sure that you have good lighting and good audio on your video. Use visual aids to help with your proposal and explain your ideas. These can be slides, graphics, or whatever you need to help show your client what you can offer them. Finally, practice and prepare. Rehearse your script multiple times to get a smooth delivery, and reference an outline or a script while you're filming the video to make sure that you're staying on track. To create your proposals, it doesn't have to be complicated. These are the tools that I use to create my own proposals for my clients, but obviously there's a ton of different options on the market if these aren't interesting to you. First up is Canva. Canva is great for some visual aids and creating slides just like these to help add a little bit of dimension to your videos. They don't have to be complicated, they can be simple, but it just helps give a visual aid to people as they're hearing your proposal. Next up is tailor. This is what I'm using right now to record the video. It makes it very easy to record your screen and your face, and it also is really easy to edit afterwards and share the video, get comments, add buttons, plus you can upload it to any service you'd like so you can easily embed it if you want to. And finally, Honeybook for sending the actual client proposals, the quotes, or whatever comes next. This is what I use for my clients, but there's a ton of apps like this on the market. Dubsado and 17 Hats are some of them, and you basically just need a tool to actually ask for the contract to be signed. And last but certainly not least is the actual follow-up strategy. You can't just send a video proposal and then go silent on your new clients. Once you've actually sent the proposal, be sure to follow up with an email just a few hours later to check in. You can recap any key points or benefits that you discussed in the video and ask them if they have any questions. You can also send them a scheduled meeting request or have that be one of the action steps that you mention in your video so that they know the next step is to chat with you. And finally, if a client just still does not respond or if they decline the proposal, it's okay to ask for feedback. Feedback improves your future proposals and it'll also give you a read of why the proposal may not have been as effective as it could be. This is pretty standard for most freelancers, and it just shows that you want to give the best value possible. So what do you think? Would you try a video proposal for your next client? If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and check out some of our other videos in the Creator Essentials playlist. We have other ideas for how to level up your client onboarding process and help you get more clients. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.